Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your handle or username on Threads. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And before we start, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like if you find this video helpful. So now let's begin. First, we need to access to our Threads application. Now, as you can see, we will be able to start creating our threads from here, and we have our username that will be showing as the name. And if we want to change it, we want to be able to find any way to do it from Threads because you cannot do it directly from Threads. Even if we go to our profile and from here we will find all these settings from here, and we won't be able to find any way to change our username. Even if we go and click to edit profile and go to our name, we will see that it will be locked, and here it will show you that your name and username are synced with the Instagram and can only be changed there. That means to work around with this problem, we will be needing to only change our username from Instagram. So here we will be needing to go to our Instagram and then go to your profile, and then you can change your username from there, and then you will have it automatically being changed into your threads. So here we go to edit profile, and I'm going to click not now, and here you will choose your username and your new name, and after that you will be needing just to confirm your changes, and then you will have your username that has been changed successfully. And when you will go again to your threads, you will see that your thread has been synced successfully. And whenever you are going to create a new thread using the Thread app, you will have your username that has been changed successfully. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.